Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off notifications censor in your WeChat app. We will go to turn off this mic or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you just click here on settings and it's going to take you to settings window here. Then you just click here on message notifications and you come to a message notifications window here and you come here to notification center and you click here on this mark or this color and like you say color it's gone. That's my notification center, it's turned off now. So that's all you have to do to turn off this on your account. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.